What happens when you die? You wonder what really happens inside your body the moment your heart stops. Not the poetic stuff, the science. The last beat. Your heart stops pumping within seconds, blood flow halts, the brain starved of oxygen begins to shut down. The lights don't go out instantly, it is more like a city losing power block by block. The brain's final fireworks. Here's the creepy part. Scientists found a source of brain activity right after death. It is like the brain's last electric storm, neurons firing wildly. Some believe this explains near death experiences, that flash of memories, the tunnel of life. The cellular collapse. Without oxygen, your cell begins self destructing. Enzymes start breaking down tissues, it is called autolysis. Basically, your body begins digesting itself. It's not pretty, but it is pure biology. A few hours later, bacteria, your lifelong roommates, take over. They feed, multiply, and return your body to the earth. The same microbes that kept you alive now complete the cycle. The perspective shift. So, what happens when you die? Your body shuts down, your mind flickers, and nature reclaims what's hers. It is not the end, it is just a brilliant handoff back to the universe that built you.